Hey, it's Living with Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you are here. Please click on the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Be part of the family and help me reach my goal of getting my first 1000 subscribers. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 2 eggs, lemon. I don't have lemon, so I'm gonna use lime, salt, black pepper, mustard, vinegar. I don't have just the basic vinegar. I have some white wine vinegar here, so I'm gonna use that. And of course, your olive oil. Start by breaking your eggs and using the egg yolk. So I'm gonna break my egg. If you have a hand mixer, go ahead and use that. One tablespoon or 2 teaspoons. Go ahead and whisk again. Time to add our olive oil. Now this is the tricky part. You want to put the oil little by little slowly. You cannot pour the oil at once. You have to slowly mix it while you're adding the oil. So we're gonna go ahead while I'm holding the oil with this hand and slowly pouring the oil. I'm gonna be whisking. Here you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my vinegar, 2 teaspoons. And I'm going to add some lime. I don't have lemon, so I'm going to use some lime. 1 teaspoon of that. I'm going to whisk it more. Now you can go ahead and season your mayo with some salt and black pepper. So our mayo is ready. I'm just gonna pour this in there. If you want it even thicker, you can go ahead and do that. The thicker you want, the more you need to beat it, to whisk it. Oh, I thought I'd made enough for 2 of these, apparently just 1. Not enough, but this should be enough for a few days. You can see into my mayo little spot is because of the black pepper. If you don't want to see that look, you don't need to add black pepper. So here's the consistency of the mayo. If you want it thicker, you can go ahead and continue to beat it, but I think that's the consistency I want. You can see it's pretty thick.